Hey and welcome back to Toby's Garage Sales with Toby. Me. In this video I want to briefly talk about the water tanks, which I put videos out there, installation videos, and what I thought about, initial thought about it. And I came across one of the reviews for the small water tank, which applies, by the way, also to the big water tank, same brand, by the way, up here, over there, these are the videos. But you can see, and that's something which I realized also, and I experienced as well after I was doing this a couple of times, that it might happen that this one gets a little loose, the valve, And at one point, the more you tighten, the more you try to wiggle around, the more it's just happening that the plumber's tape, which is already pre-applied to this, is just getting thinner and thinner and just disappearing. And at one point, it's just so thin that you have to tighten it more, you have to tighten it more, you tighten it more. And at one point it doesn't work because it's just hitting here, this edge, so close that you cannot turn it anymore. And as you can see here, this one, on this side, I extended, and it is that simple that you just need one of those little half-inch, I think it's a half-inch brass adapter, pipe brass adapter or something, and that just extends the valve a little bit outside, and then you can turn it as much as you need to, that it's super tight and snug and not coming loose. And I'll show you really quick how it works. It is so simple. It's really, I don't know why they included that at the beginning. I'm in contact with the seller or manufacturer, I'm not sure, but they might include it, who knows. That's a short video. I'll show you how to install it, and that's all, promise. As you see, this one, we'll just take it off again. And make sure all this plumber's tape, you take it out. And ideally you also take this one off. Cool thing about it, they include it in both packages, this massive plumber's tape. Make sure you apply it to both, this new one, the adapter, this one, but also to those threads. And it's fairly simple. Just make sure you apply it flat. It's a little tricky to get started. Just do a bunch of turns, as long as you can see the thread, that's important. And then just rip it off. That's one. This is one. We'll do the next one. Slowly start on it. Make sure it's going easy around, tight. Also apply a good coating here. Do a couple twists, some rotations. So as long as you can see the threads, that's important, and then you just rip it off. When you've done that, this one goes straight into here. You just start slowly threading it in, and to tighten it down, you'll need a 15/16, and then you can just turn it. Make sure you don't over tighten it, because you want to have it tight, but you don't want to destroy the threads in there as well. So that's one. The second, we'll just thread this one on. I'll also get it started. There we go. And now you try to tighten it as much as you can, that it's tight, but also goes in the direction you want to have it aiming. I think that's good. I think I like that, because here, because I will thread this one in here, or on this side, I have to see how that holds in, ideally, so I can still use it. So, important. I might do a little sideways thing so I can still turn the knob, very important, but also stick in here the shower head. And this one goes flush, or you tighten it. If it's too tight, just, apply less of the plumber's tape here, That's all. And honestly, that's all there is. This adapter works great. And I like it, and it just extends everything so you can tighten it more. And when you get to the issue that this one gets loose, you just tighten it, or you apply new plumber's tape and then you tighten it back in. It's that easy. That is amazing. Hope that helps you, especially the ones with the bad review about this product. I don't think it's about the product. I think it's just that they didn't put in the adapter. Whatever. Just add it. I'll link in the description. Thanks for watching. Cheers!